So today I am wearing clothes, by the way. Today it's like 7:30 in the morning. We are going to breakfast early because we're going to like a waterfall park in a little bit. So we kind of need to eat earlier, if that makes sense. So this is the view in the morning. Super pretty, I guess. Right over the lake, you can see like the reflection, and it's really nice. This is like the little pool over here. Oh, I thought that was a dog, but it's actually a human in the water, never mind. So firstly, there's like a breakfast buffet out there. It's really small selection of cereals, yogurt and drinks, and that's literally it, and fruits, I guess. So this is just all I have right now, and then we can order something else from the menu, so I'll show you guys later what I got. But firstly, we just have hot chocolate, some tangerine juice, assumingly, Cocoa Pops, and like these weird things, and like watermelon and pineapple. Alright, so the second part of our breakfast, we have like white bread, butter, jam, and this is like the main part. It has like sausages, I don't know what's that, bacon, eggs, spicy baked beans, some kind of salad, and yeah, that's about it really. Hello guys, so we are now at the Erawan National Park, and yeah, we just have the map here that shows like some background information of the park, and a map here. Yep, and yeah, we're just gonna go and see how it looks like. Apparently, like we can swim in these really nice waterfalls, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. And so here is the like sign thingy. So yeah, just pretty simple, right? And here are like these map things. So there's like the map of the National Park headquarters, National Park of Kanchanaburi, and National Park attractions. So yeah. So we're now at the first, or like the zero layer, I guess, of the terrace waterfalls, and they look super cool, guys. Look at that. Like, isn't that just gorgeous? Guys, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like fish. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see it. I can see it. They're like mosses. Look at them. Whoa. Look at this like school fish. It's super cool, guys. Like, look at how the size of them. They're massive. Guys, please abide by the warning signs for your own safety. Don't worry, I will abide with all the safety signs, guys. I'm sorry, I just love teasing people's English. This is why my English has to be almost as close to perfect as it can be, because I am such a little twat when it comes to pinpointing people's grammar or anything like that. Oh, this is the first level, and we're gonna go and take a look. Yeah, people like bring their own like floaties and stuff. Wow, there's already like, people think this is like a slide. It's super cool, like the Thai people here. Guys, look at all the fish here. And this girl's just like sitting there, but there's like fish. So today, there's people filming here. And as you can see, like there's this really fancy looking cameraman here. Cameraman. And two people in the water, lights, and super cool, right? I think this is like a Bollywood movie, Bollywood Indian movie. There's like a monkey there and a monkey there. I don't know what he's eating though, but whoa, he's like opening something. This is it, you know, very small, very so we're now here at step 6. Well, I'm now here at step 6 because it's really small. I walked ahead of my family because they walk so slow, and this is it. Yeah, very calm, peaceful. I like it a lot. Guys, I found a wild boar. Like, we're gonna go and like walk up to it. Like, not super close, but it's enjoying its meal. It's like having a good time. Yeah. Now 8:30, and because the dinner here is pretty lame, we got cup noodles from 7-Eleven. Ow, my head. We got cup noodles from 7-Eleven, and we bought an egg as well, so now there's like an egg. And we have dessert. So for dessert, I just have this sago with taro and coconut milk, and it just kind of looks like this. From 7-Eleven as well. Now almost 11 since I last had dessert, and I have another one here. This one is Thai panda vermicelli and coconut milk, and this looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go open this. So this is how it is, and it just has green panda. I really like this stuff, so I can't wait to eat it. It's also from 7-Eleven, by the way. This really cool lizard. It's literally just like stopping here and like letting us take a picture or video of it. So this is like our my somewhat last breakfast, because tomorrow this time I'll be on a plane already, probably almost about, yeah. So we just have the same thing as yesterday. Juice, fruit. My mom took my bread because I don't want it, and I don't want chocolate either, so mom's having my coffee. Yeah, this is really all I'm eating for now. So guys, we just had dinner with my grandpa and my uncle. We had Coffee Bean by Dow. I'll like put a picture here or something. We came back from Kanchanaburi. We're now in like Bangkok again, if you couldn't tell already by like population and where we are right now. We're now going to MCOT here. Oh, I got a cake as well, and I got new earrings here, like my new like star earrings. Yeah, we're not going to MCOT here. We're gonna go to Sephora and like try out some Tarte products, and we're probably also gonna go to the food court and get something. Not sure. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. So it's your last night in Thailand. What do? You sit on your bed, get one of these jumbo juice, and use your laptop. So just gonna go on my laptop, go use Google, and chill. Even though I have to wake up at 5, this is how I'd like to wake up. So if you're ever wondering, what am I doing at 10:58 p.m. when my flight is at 8:30 in the morning? You eat a chocolate fudge cake, cause this is the best chocolate cake. I think I've said that before. So here it is. Alright guys, it's about 6 in the morning, 6:20 I guess, 6:15 in the morning. Guess what we're eating at the airport? CP eggs. I just couldn't leave without it. It's like really good. So guys, I'm gonna leave by myself now, and mommy's gonna stay behind without me. Will you miss me? Kayla? Yes. Okay. Toodles. Bye. Bye-bye. So I have bought the Auntie Anne's here, and I'm like just walking to my gate. And just walking to my gate. I don't know how you can hear me. I probably sound terrible. I wanted to get mango sticky rice, but they're still making it, and it was quite expensive, 180 for a box. So I was like, no. Here, there's a Qatar A380. Whoa, look at that big plane. I haven't taken one of those in a really, really long time. So we're now at baggage reclaim, and baggage claim number 3. So we're at the baggage reclaim, and we're just waiting for our luggage to show up. Well, I'm waiting for my luggage to show up because I'm by myself, but yeah.